Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. We made it. It is Monday. It's Monday morning and I'm gonna make breakfast and I need coffee and I need to clean up, but I probably won't clean up my house till later tonight. I feel like you're constantly cleaning and laundry. Oh my God. We have a work day. We have, I think I have videos to edit, look at, start, create. We got things going. So I'm trying out my new camera. It's definitely not a vlogging camera, but this is crazy. Good morning. Oh, look at those muscles. Good morning. Good morning. I've been doing a lot of push-ups, so I mean, it's not much, but it's not bad. I'm starving though, like I'm so starving. But you're on right now an EOS R6 Mark II, and it's definitely a nicer camera. My husband gifted it to me. This was actually a camera. I was going for the R6 last year, and then I think the lady was like, oh, the Mark II's coming out. So I was like, oh, I'll wait for that to come out. And then I like never went back to the store I kept pushing it. I was like, oh, I don't need it, I don't need it, I don't need it. And then finally, I gave in because I love cameras and this is like my new toy. Okay, we're gonna make oats. And why do I always forget the directions? If this thing gets too heavy, I'm going to switch back to the smaller camera. Because this thing is ginormous. Like the lens is like heavy. Heavy. So last night we dropped Coach and it's pretty sad, honestly. Like it's funny. I woke up today and I went to like his area where we keep his like treats, and I'm so used to him being on me that I'm like looking down to see, like, make sure that I don't step on him. This lens is crazy. Look at this. Ooh. Wow. Alright babe, let's start a to-do list for today. So today's Monday. I'm gonna put Tuesday over here. And we have, so tomorrow I have wax, nails, 9 a.m. Babe. Mm-hmm. We have, what else? Today we need to clean, we need to pack, clean, we need laundry, right? I was thinking of getting A&S bagels for Wednesday. Like, it just sounds, for the plane. Alright. But that might be too carby. Okay, never mind. Pack, clean, laundry. Why do I feel like there's so much more? I just, my phone, I got just my barber. Okay, when are you going to your barber? Wednesday, right? Monday. Okay, Wednesday is barber, my hair, Kelly's hair, getting braids, and I think packing is like the biggest thing. Cleaning. I want to, babe, if you have any laundry, can you please throw it downstairs in the basement, honey? Yeah. And then you're going to Nordstrom Rack or Nordstrom, whatever. Nordstrom. Where else? Oh, we need to pick up Kennedy turkey meat. We need turkey meat for Kennedy. Anything else?
No, I think you're good.
There were certain things that we have to pack for Kennedy. That's on, I think, that list. Like Tylenol and stuff. I have to make sure I don't forget. So I got a package, I'm just opening it up right now from Calpak. Something I bought because this advertisement always gets me. For probably the past 2 years they've had this bag, and it was just about time that I'm like, you know what? Since I'm going with Kennedy, since I'm traveling with Kennedy, I want it to be super easy. And I remember last time, her baby bag, I have a base baby bag, and the the way that it attaches onto my carry-on, obsessed. Like, it's so nice, so sturdy, it's not going anywhere. So my duffel bag that I have doesn't have that feature, but I love my duffel bag. It's like army green and like this purple, like it's so edgy, I think. And yeah, Calpak suckered me into this bag. So if you know what it is, this is, I forget the name of it. Oh, I think it's on here. It should be on here. The Luca duffel, and I got the regular size. So they have like an extra large and this size one. Soft puffy exterior, zippered front pouch, side shoe compartment, luggage trolley sleeve, removable crossbody strap. Perfect. Multiple pockets, and it's water resistant lining. That sounds like a great carry-on. So I love this color. This color is what really sold me. I've been into chocolate for like the past 2 years, and oh, so it's so funny how they have the shoe thing underneath. So even though this is like a shoe compartment, which it is, like here, look at this. So it's a shoe compartment, and there's like a bag inside so that only your shoes can go in that compartment. I don't know what I thought in my head, but that it was a little bit more structured with it. But that's so smart. So this will be fun and exciting to pack. Probably pack like my oh, okay. So there's this is for your luggage right here. The thing that's cool about the base too, I know I'm switching, but there's a zipper actually right here so that you can use it as a pocket. And then if you don't need it for the pocket, you unzipper it and then you put it on your luggage. So this one has a zipper too, as well. It's just on top in the sleeve, so you could still use it for something, which is like probably like your phone, like you just pop it there. This is very nice. I really like the size of it. And I can put like Kennedy's bottle over here. Ooh, I'm into it. This was a great purchase. Oh, I'm excited. Hey! This is so cute. Look at this. Yeah, those ads always get me. Like, they literally target me and I'm like, all right, I'll add it to the cart. Black Friday, they had me at it. I think it's still on sale too. So it's like $100. And it's perfect. Probably like on the go. Just throw it in my duffel. Sleeping somewhere with Kenny and Jay. Throw it in our duffel. This is really nice. Yeah. Oh my god, I just love this color. Such a good color. Also, I switched back to the smaller camera, the G7X, because that one is, it's just so heavy. It actually fits on my Manfrotto tripod, but it's like, it's just so clunky to bring around, like, all the time. So we're back on this camera. I think I have some other packages coming in today. I have my case. Actually, it took like 2 weeks for this thing to ship. I have a Canon case for it, a bag for the new camera that comes in, so that's gonna be fun. And by now she should have opened it, but I have a friend who is also engaged, so today she's getting or receiving. I ordered it a while ago, but on Etsy, I guess it just takes some time. It's an ornament that says my first Christmas engaged with their name and the date that they got engaged, which they got engaged on Thanksgiving. So I think I ordered it like 2 or 3 days after Thanksgiving, and it's finally getting delivered today. Looks like it's on track. I also feel like I have other packages coming in today, but I don't know. Sometimes like UPS or FedEx will say like, it's coming, and then it gets pushed. Amazon is being tricky with me too, so I'm like eyeing it. And then I get surprised because sometimes I'll get a ring at my doorbell and the package is there. So we'll see. We'll see. Oh my god, it's out for delivery. I'm so excited. Also, what I use too is the Shop app. This Shop app literally tracks everything with your email address, so I do that as well. And it just like lists everything that's coming. Jesus, it sounds like I have an online shopping problem, which I don't. It's just the holidays. So because of the holidays, and they also give you like rewards back, so that's why I use this app. But like for instance, Kennedy's Nuna car seats, like I had a crazy credit that I bought it through the shop app, and then it gave me money towards it. So I saved a good amount of money on it, and I'm very happy about it. So I'm gonna keep using it. Also use like Rakuten and all that other stuff. So this was a good purchase. All right, let's go back to work.
You're like an ocean without land, not a single grain of sand.
Tamika just got her her ornament. Look how cute. So it's an acrylic ornament, and I don't know, it's just so festive, pretty, simple, cute, something she can always have and like as a memory forever, you know? So I really liked it. We did good, girl. We did good. Wow, so isn't this crazy? I knew it yesterday, but it's wild that I've posted 100 videos on YouTube. Holy moly! I've changed up the banner as well. I don't know if I should add stuff on the sides, but we've hit 100 videos, and that is absolutely wow. Like, it's just wow. I can't believe I've posted 100 videos on YouTube. I know I've posted more before, and I've like archived a few, but not a lot. I kind of like I like keeping the story of like where I started and how it's going, or where I am right now. So pretty much my first video on YouTube is still up, which is very cringe-worthy watching. Like, it's so like I can't even watch it, but I like having that memory there. So I just leave everything up. But we've hit 100 videos on YouTube, and that's exciting to me because it's a lot. So if you really think about it, I know people do like one every day, some people like for years, but I'm very proud of that. I wonder when I'll hit like the next 100. I definitely feel like I would have hit it earlier or sooner. So it's like reflecting back on like, I mean, life gets in the way all the time, and it's so unfortunate because I really enjoy editing and like, I don't know, looking back at the memories. I was just watching Vlogmas Day 3 yesterday with Jay, and it's like a pure, like, you just have joy. Like, we're both smiling looking at, like, we're nuts, but just smiling at the memories. It's just so pretty to see it captured, and I really enjoy doing that. So I really hope that, I really want to continue doing and uploading it just for the fun of it. Like, it's just really nice to see. And if you watch it and you enjoy it too, like, it's kind of cool. It is cool, you know? But yeah, we did it. It's literally, I've started, crazy thing is that I started YouTube, I don't even know the year, probably 2015, and I was so good and like, you know, enjoying it. And then like with work and like balancing stuff, it's kind of like you put on the back burner, and a lot has happened in 8 years. It's like you see yourself grow, you see your style of editing grow, you see yourself, like what you gravitate more grow, like change, and like you see that evolve. And like you have a family, you have a dog, you have, you know, I'm married for 12 years now. Like when I started, we were married, it always feels like we were babies in our 20s, and now like 30s hits and it's like game on, life, we got this. I don't know, we'll see like what our channel like evolves to with like filming and stuff like that, or like different interests that we both have, because I also like documenting Jay and like seeing just the progression of both of our lives. It's just beautiful. So yeah, I'm very proud. We've hit 100. Let's see when the next 100 comes, and yay. All right, so it is the end of the day. I am now in mommy mode, and what are we doing? It is 7:15, and we had a really good, productive, fun work day. I mean, every day is always fun with our team, but super cool things that creatively we get to work on. So what am I doing now? But waiting for Jonathan to come home from work. I'm craving sushi. So even though it's 7:15 and we probably shouldn't be going out with Kennedy, I'm gonna go out and get some sushi. There's nowhere in our neighborhood where we could order takeout from or like have it delivered to us. So that's why we have to go out. Not to bore you with all the other things that we're doing for the rest of the day, but we have to do laundry, which I probably won't film, and just tidy around the house, and really start to pack. So tomorrow will be a day of shopping. I get my nails done. I have to get a wax, and like really making sure like packing is like done by tomorrow. I'm gonna start tonight, but tomorrow it has to be done. So Kennedy's staring at me. She's drinking a baba. So I think that's it for today's video, and that was my day. I worked all day. So it was a great day. And that's Vlogmas day 4. We're doing it. All right, see you tomorrow. Bye.